Hello people. This is our rabbits. We keep them in the cage at night so predators don't eat them. We've experienced it. So this girl, you can see here, oh god, there's light mode. So you see this girl, right? This girl is getting attacked by this man. So he's trying to climb on her. These two are fine, but these two are weird. It's this guy, he's my favorite. His name is Theodore. He was just trying to climb the Tara. These two are just fine, they are friends. This is Genghis, this is Tucker, this is Tara, and this is Theodore, my favorite. He's been acting weirdly these days. So this is him. He's acting weird. He'll give you an update soon. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.